I'm glad you're here. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm back now. This is the one that I ordered yesterday. Actually, I'm surprised it's here. Amazon has this thing where sometimes they'll ship things really, really fast. Like, they'll give you next day delivery at, 7 a.m. or whatever time. I don't know what time it showed up because I woke up really late this morning and it was already on the porch, and it was supposed to be delivered between 7 and 11. So I woke up at 10. I was up late last night, and I decided on the weekends I allow myself to sleep until I wake up. And that is what I did. I slept until I woke up, and it was 10 a.m. Crazy. Okay, I haven't slept like that since I was a teenager. Well, I have the last couple weeks. I've been really tired, so it's been easy to fall asleep. Look at this. It is, you see that? Isn't it pretty? I love horses. It's, I haven't showed you guys it yet, but I got Mother Love on the Diamond Art Club anniversary sale. It's the first time I've done any, purchasing these ones that are really expensive. This wasn't too bad. This was like, I want to say 20 bucks. So I still consider this a budget-friendly kit. It's high quality, and so I have been. Amazon has a section now. They have like a storefront for Diamond Art Club. It takes a little while to find it. Even once you know it's there, you can still put in Diamond Art Club and not find their storefront. But if you click on a certain thing in there, it takes you to their Amazon storefront, and then you see just the Diamond Art ones. And they have them from anywhere from, I think, around $16 or $17, $15. I think it's $15. A bunch of the ones that I got, or that I already showed, and then they go up to like 27. I did find one that was like in the 30s. I'm not going to go there, but the ones up to $20 to $25, I think, is still a good deal for the quality that you're getting, and it's still more budget friendly than the gigantic. I do love when they have these sleeves that pull out. I gotta say, I do love that. It makes it so nice to pull everything out. Okay, so this one, 42 colors, including one Aurora Borealis and 3 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds 19,920, and yeah. That in the, what's the size of it? It is a 13 by 18 or 33 centimeters. I can't talk today. Centimeters, and 40 by 45.7 centimeters. So it's not huge, which I'm glad. I kind of try to, for me, that's, I don't know what that is in inches. Oh, it's a 13 by 18 inches. I think that's doable. That's doable in a reasonable amount of time. And I enjoy that. Okay, let's do Kimberly's Way, the card first. Or the, oh, it does come with one. This one does. I think those Christmas ones were special. Maybe they started before. I don't know how long they had them there. And this is definitely a bronze. Now they say bronze on it. They didn't used to. You had to figure it out. Isn't that pretty? And let's look at this sticker. I just love it. And this has 42 colors. And it looks like it was made up of symbols, numbers, and letters. Why did they do that? The whole thing, they could have done, 1 through 9 in the numbers, and then they could have gone alphabetical and covered all of it almost, and then done a couple of symbols. So, I don't know, just my thought process. But I do love that it comes with stickers. And so that is exciting to me. Okay. Put that back in there. Okay, if it wants to go back in there. I don't think it wants to go back in there quite right. Okay, we'll mess with that later. Okay. I believe this is the same kit, and it does look like it's the putty one too, so I'm not going to open that right now. We'll just get to the good stuff. Oh, and this thing too. Oh, and so warranty and insurance card. So I learned when I had thrown out one by mistake, the one on the Is It Friday Yet? I had actually accidentally thrown this out. It's okay. When I went online, what you do to register it, if you just go to diamondartclub.com and then go to the warranty section, you go to your order number from Amazon and you put that in and register it. So I'll do that today. I'll just go on, I'll put in the name of the kit, the date it was ordered, and the order number, and that registers it. So this is just a thing if you were to just like want to do it by just putting that picture in. I don't even know how to do these things, to be honest with you guys. This is something the kids do. I don't know anything about these symbol things. Apparently you take a picture of it or something. I don't know. And here we go. Let's find it. And this one isn't pulling off as easily as the other one. And this one didn't. It is on that side, but it's difficult to pull off, so it didn't save it. That's all right. That is okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look at how pretty. And this. Okay. Now, you don't have to do this to them. I've been told if you just open them and let them sit for a while, they'll flatten out for you. Because I want to show it to you, I'm doing it just to kind of give us some ability to get them. And I do love these boxes. Okay. Isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. And this is a perfect size. I really like this size. This is a size, I gotta admit, I ordered those 3 on the anniversary sale because my friend gave me a gift, and so I had the opportunity to do it. Oh, these also have I'm seeing it, the little grids that you can take off parts of it at a time. So yeah, it's got perforation on it. That's cool. I like to keep the plastic intact. I know some people don't, and this would work for them, but the reason I don't like to cut them and have the plastic completely off, I just had to do the freckles one with release paper, and I really didn't like having the whole painting just kind of sitting there, so I would cover it at night with a little a notebook so that it would not, the parts that were done wouldn't get dust and stuff in them. I also have 5 birds that fly around my house, and every once in a while something flies that you don't really want flying, and I don't want to land it on my stuff, so I like keeping the covers on them. But boy, if I was one that worked on them that way, this is really nice to have it perforated like that, because then you can just tear off a piece that you're going to do and work on that particular site. But this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I've already kitted up the big cat, or I would start on this one today, but I'm going to start on the big cat today because I finished Freckles yesterday. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Anyways, that's what I have seen. Oh, I didn't show the drills. Well, I'm not going to take them all out, but you can see. It's it looks like a really nice palette. See? I'm so new, I forget basic stuff sometimes. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and have a great day.